Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am unboxing the new PinkBox of February. So it came like this in this beautiful pink box. Obviously pink and February, Valentine's Day and so on. So I'm really excited to see what I get this month, and at the end of this video I will be rating the products that I've got and if they are like really worth the price. So here we have the products. I'm gonna be showing you one by one. We get 3 different postcards, very cute. So we get some nail scissors by Parsa Beauty. I don't really remember getting something similar in any subscription boxes, so this is definitely something new. Then we get some Gelatine gummy butterflies, and these ones are vegan. I cannot wait to try these out. The only downside is that they contain sugar, and I've been trying to stay out of sugar for some time now, but I have to try this out. So
It's super tasty.
now these are super tasty. Wow. So they come like in different colors, greens, yellows, have some orange and red ones. They're made out of fruits. And they say they have like different ingredients in them. Wow. Like, these are really tasty, but I'm gonna stop now. Just gonna eat these 2 and then I promise I will stop because this is like super addictive. 100 grams has like 323 calories, so this is like a meal for me, so I'm stopping eating right now. Okay, so next we have a cream shower. This one is from Betty Buckley, Dream Away. Wow. Okay, so it smells so nice. This is like super dreamy. Then we get a metallic shine lipstick from Ulag. I don't know if I'm pronouncing this correctly. So this is in the shade Cherry Bomb. I really like the packaging. It's so beautiful, this gold color, and the lipstick, holy moly guacamole. Just look at this beautiful color, and I really like this detail, with the name of the brand on it. This is so pretty. Okay, so I'm gonna swatch this one. Ooh, such a beautiful red color. Wow. Okay, now this is some real shit. I really like this one. This is a beautiful product. Next we get a shampoo from Gul, I think it's pronounced, and now this smells like well, definitely something sweet, but I cannot really make out what exactly, but it smells very delicious. Another great product. And the last product that we get in this box will be this beautiful pink nail polish from Essie, and this one is in Airspun Fun number 786. Now this is a beautiful pink color and it kind of matches my sweater. This is so cute. This is very nice. Okay, so these are all of the products that we get in this February PinkBox subscription box. So we get in total 40 euros and 66 cents worth of products for only 13 euros and 45 cents. So I think it is a pretty good deal. I also rate this box with 5 stars out of 5. I'm really, excited with all of the products that I've got today. I really like the lipstick, the scissors, the nail polish, everything. It was super cute, and this time it really worth it. So just leave me a comment below and let me know if you guys liked the products. And before you leave, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done already. And I will see you on my next one. Bye.